Gregory, why does the Samsung notification sound so funny? To you at least. Well, for pretty much anyone. Whenever someone is out with the Samsung in public, everyone laughs at them because of the sound their phone makes, and they are in embarrassment and despair whenever the Samsung goes off. So please, Gregory, tell me, why the heck is the Samsung notification so